Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. This is Captain Ricky with Everglades City Fishing Charters, fishing out of Everglades City Marina. It's not quite open to the public yet, but it will be January 2021, so be on the lookout for that. Today I have a 6-hour charter with a party of 4, and it is one of the gentlemen's birthdays today, so it should be a very fun trip. I'll get back to you guys soon, showing up the loading process. This is the boat that we'll be fishing off of today. It is a deck boat. It's perfect for larger parties, and I'm looking forward to a good day. See you guys soon. All right guys, this is gonna be our setups for today. Pen Battle 2s, spooled with 30-pound power probe, running a Mercury 115 outboard. Now we just wait on clients. We get time to get some video. This is our crew for today. Say hi, Mr. Barry. Happy birthday. Say hello. How's it going, Nathan? All right, ready for a good day. All right. Very nice Goliath grouper. Here comes a trout. Let's see if it's a keeper. I think it is. That's a great sized trout. Well, you gotta get a picture. All right, first keeper of the day. Good job. Hey. All right, getting it done. All right, so we got a black drum for the birthday man right here. Big trout there. Black drum in the net. Keeper black drum, by the way, Mr. Barry.
Oh man,
great one.
Oh,
Barry. Go, Barry. And look at that trout. Sheesh, awesome, man. Great fish. There he is. Another good one. Another good one. Oh, let's see. There it is. Man, that is a fat trout.
Yes, it is.
Awesome. Throw them in the box with the rest of them. Good so far. Oh, we're doing good. There's still
Barry Ween.
Look at that thing. Yep, it's kind of ballooning just like that. Awesome.
It's pretty good, huh?
Solid day, gentlemen. Good snaps, trouts, and a black drum. Alright, you get a smile in there. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. We get another one this way.
Which one is that? Mine. I gotta get these.
Yes, sir. Another one. Let me get one of mine real quick.
This is a Christmas fishing trip.
Sure, man. Good fish on the table, guys. Great fish on the table. All right, awesome. You want it? Hey. Want it? Hey. Nope. Nope. Ah, you want it? You want it? Ah, you thought. Go ahead, man.
Here you go. You tease him.
You're terrible.
That's awesome.
Kids hanging onto that thing. I'm like,
yeah, the link. All right, fella. Had a good one?
hell yeah.
Good one.
Got some good fish?
Captain Ricky's the man.
All right.
Definitely go fishing with him.
I love it. All right, fellas. You guys have a safe drive home.
Thank you very much.
See y'all soon.